I'm going to be showing you guys how I created these looks, not these looks, these looks. I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this hairstyle. Hello lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I created these looks, not these looks, these looks. I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this hairstyle. Basically one of my favorite hairstyles because it suits me so much, and it just goes with the shape of my face. So I want to show you guys how I achieved these looks and how I got glammed up. Do you know the unique thing about these looks? And do you know why I want to show you guys? Because it's so easy. You see this hair? When you don't know what to do, when you are confused, when you are broke, when you are lazy, when you feel like the weather is too hot, go for this look. This is everything and more. It's so simple and classy. So I'm going to be putting you guys through how I achieved this look. No gel on my hair. This is my natural hair. No gel on it, no needle, no thread. What again? Love to rock this look when I just relaxed my hair. So if you want to rock this look very well, like this hairstyle very well, you should either relax your hair or when your hair is not due. It's much more advisable when your hair is not due. It's very easy to do and it's a 10 seconds something. So alright, let's hop into it. I hope you enjoyed this video. My weave, this is a kinky weave I've been using for, this is a kinky hair I've been using for like 3 years now. I just use it basically for packing gel and ponytails. So actually before I make this hairstyle, I love to rock it with my hair. I love to rock it when I just relaxed my hair. So I just did that today. That's why my hair is silky. So it's going to make it look very smooth and fine and breezy. And so let's head straight to it. Okay, guys. So I combed out the weave to untangle it. I'll be using a rubber band because it's much more comfortable for me, and I can take it off anytime I want. Here I comb out my hair to the place I want to pack it. So I combed it all out to the front. I use a small comb to smoothen the hair because I won't be using any gel, any edge control, just a small comb to smoothen it, keep it as smooth as possible, and pack it all in one bun. But here I did not pack the head directly at the top of my head because that's actually the beauty of this hairstyle. So I noticed and I had to repack it to bring it all up to the front. In order for me to do that, I have to comb the hair forward, comb it forward, make sure it's at the top of your head to make it look more elegant. So I combed it all out to the front. I'm smoothing the hair again. I'm going around the same process I did for the first one. So here this small bun I did is to make the weave on stand, is to make your weave stand, make it stiff. So I detangled my weave on first. I'm taking it round my head, the little bun I did. You take it round. You hold it there as tight as you want it. Do not make it too tight in order to avoid having headache. So just keep on taking the weave on round until you have come to the end of the weave. So keep repeating the process. And here we are at the end of the weave. So you take out a small part of the weave to make your hair tight. So this is going to serve as the thread. You make it as tight as you want, and to also hide the seam of the weave. Then detangle your weave, pack it up, detangle it again, roll it round your finger and keep rolling it until it's tight enough. Then ta-da, here's the hair. Ta-da! Ta 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 ta-da! This is the hair. This is the hair. Looking so pretty like that. How do I look? So much power, so much sauce, so much juice. I hope you like this hair. This is like my favorite looks of all time, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed filming it. If you enjoyed it, if you've learned my super duper if you've learned my super duper looks and you enjoyed it and you're excited to get something from you, do not forget to give me this thumbs up and comment on this video. Let me know if you want to see more hairstyling tips, because I have all of that in me. Like, just let me know in the comment section if you want me to put you through some more styling tips, hairstyling tips. I'm going to do that for you guys, because I always come through for you. I got you. All right. Comment though. Please give me your feedback. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. God, sometimes you even wonder how God made you, because me, I used to wonder, like,